felt nothing emotionally. This is not a water park.
Structural twirl integrity confirmed.
Behold my Tina Hammer masterpiece. My nose contour is... Part is load-bearing.
Cure?
I'm
Temporarily structural.
It looked confident from far away. I'm the attic already!
My forehead is a measuring tool.
Roof is not a playground! Only I whistle with authority. Now I'm a fan.
Safety for your ego.
I'm premium floor filling.
Bench needs more glamorous grip.
Inventory adjusted. Modern. Harness works. Monkey doesn't. We measure, not serenade. Roof chick. New facial thatch.
Literacy is also structural. 10 points.
Very primate. No peeking. It's the law. Behold, no touching wet stuff. We built it! Mostly on purpose.
Welcome.
Shoes off. Leaf shoes. Hammer approves your hygiene.
The ventilate model.
Smooth entry. Very luxury. Open concept. Literally open roof. My whistle is not banana proof. These bananas are emotionally heavy. You invented. Surprise. Final walk around. This mirror is now sports equipment. Everything moves.
Curtains are fighting me.
It rings, and so do I. You face the trees. Sign worked. You didn't.
Forest materials. Big results.
Technique. Secure. Panic unnecessary. So? You planned everything? Tax? Fine, I'll pay in peels. I have been blessed. I am not certified. It's strangely tasteful.
I can't control nature.
It's my treasure.
Best house and best snacks.
Inventory managed.
Subscribe. Subscribe for more builds.